channel, Sleepy Holographic. Today I'm going to be turning these candle holders into candle holders with bats on them. These were originally silver. I just spray painted them, and the bats I am going to be using is this hanging bat trio from Ross. I'm going to be detaching each bat as I have this one, and I'm going to be adding them on to these candle holders with zip ties. The spray paint that I used was the Rust-Oleum Flat Black Primer, and then I followed it with the Rust-Oleum Shiny Black Spray Paint. I didn't take a picture of that one, but they are both very good at sticking to metal and wood and plastic surfaces. Once all the bats are detached from their rings, I'm going to take two of them, place them where I want them on the candle holder. And then I'm going to take the black zip ties, put them through the holes. Oops. Need to make it nice and tight so that the very heavy weight of the bats is held in place against the metal of the candle holder. And as you can see, the shape of the candle holder means that the bats slide down a little bit, but they are stuck there. They can't slide further. Then we will just snip off the extra zip ties, and this craft is finished. notice they do wiggle side to side, and to fix that I'm going to be using this quake hold. It's a putty that you can add on to things to keep it from moving in an earthquake, which will also work in this instance. It is a white putty like this. You just take small pieces, shape it to how you want. I'm going to be sticking it between the candle holder and the bat and pressing the metal bat onto it. Keep it from rotating as much. I'm going to do this on both sides on all the contact points of the bat. Now that all the bats are on all the candle holders, I have added the fake candles, and this is how fantastic they look. Perfect for Halloween. They match my bat sconces perfectly, and I'm very happy with them. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more Halloween videos.